Hello, everyone, and welcome to our English Learning Podcast, where we help you learn and practice English step by step in a clear, simple, and natural way so that you can use English in your everyday life with confidence.
Hi, everyone. We are very happy that you are here with us today because in this lesson, we are going to learn how to use simple greetings in English, which is one of the most important parts of starting a conversation.
Yes, because greetings are the first words you say when you meet someone, and they help you create a friendly and comfortable connection with other people.
In today's lesson, we will focus on real English conversations, and we will use long sentences with full meaning so you can understand how greetings are used in real situations.
We will speak slowly, repeat key phrases, and give you many examples so you can listen, understand, and practice speaking with us.
Before we begin, please remember to like, share, and subscribe so you can continue learning English with us every day.
All right, let's begin our lesson on simple greetings in English. Let's start with some basic greetings that you can use every day, such as hello, hi, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, because these are the most common ways to begin a conversation.
For example, you can say, "Hello, how are you today?" which is a polite and friendly way to greet someone and ask about their condition.
You can also say, good morning, I hope you are having a great day, which sounds warm and positive.
Let's practice some full sentences together. Hi, how are you doing today? Good morning. It is nice to see you again. Hello. I hope everything is going well for you.
These sentences are simple, but they have full meaning and sound natural in real conversations.
Now let's learn how to respond when someone greets you, because a conversation always has two sides.
If someone says, how are you? You can answer with a full sentence like, I am doing well today. Thank you for asking. And how about you?
You can also say, I am a little tired because I worked a lot today, but I am feeling okay.
Let's practice.
Hi, how are you?
I am doing well today, thank you. And I feel happy because I had a productive morning.
That is a great answer because it includes your feeling and a reason.
Now repeat, I am fine, thank you. And how are you today? I am doing great because everything is going well. I am a little tired, but I am still feeling okay. Now, let's learn how greetings can change depending on the situation, because we do not always speak the same way in every place.
For example, in a formal situation, you can say, "Good afternoon. It is a pleasure to meet you," which sounds polite and respectful.
In an informal situation, you can say, hi, nice to see you, which is more relaxed and friendly.
At work, you might say, "Good morning. How is your day going so far?" to start a professional conversation.
With friends, you can say, hey, what's up? How have you been? Which is more casual.
Let's repeat some longer sentences. Good evening. It is nice to meet you for the first time. Hi, I'm really happy to see you again after a long time. Hello, how has your day been so far?
After greetings, we usually continue with a short conversation, so let's practice how to do that naturally.
For example, hi, how are you today?
I am doing well, thank you. And I feel happy because I had a relaxing morning. How about you?
I am doing well too, but I feel a little tired because I woke up early today.
That is a natural and complete conversation using greetings and simple sentences.
Now let's try another example.
Good afternoon. How is your day going?
My day is going well so far because I finished my work early and now I feel relaxed. Emily, let's have a full conversation using greetings.
Sure.
Hello, how are you today?
Hello. I am doing very well today because I had a good start to my day and I feel positive and relaxed.
That sounds great. What did you do this morning?
This morning, I had breakfast, did some work, and then took a short walk, which made me feel refreshed.
That is wonderful. I'm happy to hear that.
Now it is your turn to practice speaking. Please answer these questions using full sentences. How do you greet someone in the morning? How do you respond when someone asks, "How are you?" What do you say when you meet a friend? How do you start a conversation in English?
Take your time, speak slowly, and try to use full sentences with clear meaning. Repeat after us. Hello, how are you today? I am doing well, thank you. And how about you? Good morning, it is nice to see you. Hi, how has your day been? I feel happy because...
Practice these sentences every day so they become natural for you.
Today, we learned how to use simple greetings in English and how to start real conversations with clear and meaningful sentences.
You practiced how to greet people, respond politely, and continue a conversation in a natural way.
Remember, greetings are very important because they help you connect with people and start communication.
You are doing a great job, and every time you practice, you become more confident.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can continue learning with us.
Thank you so much for listening, and we will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone, and keep practicing English.